All right, everybody, today's the day. We're going to yank the battery out of that 2013 Nissan Leaf and bring it into this garage, swap out all the modules. Modules are sitting right over there. And I got my dog Hershey here to help with the build. What do you think about that, Hershey? Is that going to be good? Good? He's a good boy. Let's do this. First thing you're going to want to do is remove the negative of your 12-volt battery. 10mm wrench. Just loosen this. Make sure you stuff that way down there and it's far away from that terminal. You can even remove the whole battery if you want, but you don't want that to re-engage. Under this cover, we have the high voltage safety switch. So what we want to do is pop this cover off. Actually, I think I just broke it. It's supposed to slide back. Yep, I broke it. Don't do that. Don't break it like I did. You have 10mm bolts here. Let's remove them. Believe it or not, I only had a 1/2-inch drive 10mm socket. Couldn't find my 3/8-inch drive. And I'm missing a bolt here from when I upgraded my charger from a 3.3 kilowatt to a 6.6 kilowatt. See if I can get a new one of those covers off eBay or something. I'm sure they're not that expensive. I knew it slid back, but I forgot. Pull this cover off. All right, what you're looking at here, this is the actual top of the battery pack. So this is all going to get removed when we take the car out. There just will be a hollow. You'll be able to see it under the ground from here. But this is a step you do not miss. You do not skip this step. This is the high voltage disconnect. This is a safety switch. You need to pull this plug, and that kills the power to everything. That way there is nothing going out from the battery pack. So you need to do this. Do not skip this step. It is very dangerous if this step is missed. Okay, so while I'm going to pull up on this, I'm going to bend these orange tabs back, which seem to work. There we go. I had to push that in. Get it the rest of the way. There you go. So those two are what jumper the power across. So one side is live, and one side is what carries it the rest of the way. Which side is which? Don't know. Don't care. I'm not gonna try to test it out. So all I gotta do now is jack the car up, pull the battery. Okay, so under the car, you can see that splash shield's got to come off first. Then we got this one here. It goes all the way to the back, and we have all these clips and bolts to take off. So let's go. There it goes. Get it right here. Had these brackets here holding it into place, probably like that. So I just removed those. I had them on both sides. Now that the car's in the air, splash guards are down. We'll get the floor jacks underneath there to support the battery and start unbolting. But first, we got to unplug the battery and make sure those connectors are out of the way. So let's go do that. 3 plugs here. I didn't realize my phone died when I was recording how to remove these plugs. So I will go ahead and do a recording on how to unplug these when I reinstall the battery so you can see how that is done. All right. This is where ingenuity comes to play. I'm going to put these casters here. And then I can roll this thing out into my garage. That took me about 4 hours with some warm-up breaks because you can tell I'm in Michigan and it is freezing outside. So I think it was below 20 degrees. Anyway, there she sits right now, ready for me to crack the case and start replacing the modules. So I'm going to go ahead and do that and record that for an upcoming video. So please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Click the notification bell so you can see the next episode as it happens. All right. Thanks for watching. God bless. And we will see you on the next one.